What is up, GrindPreneur Nation? Cory Brim here, Sugar Rim Bar, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with your box truck. Sit back, let's take notes. I'm going to give you step by step, break everything down for you. Let's go. Yo, so what's up, everybody? Cory Brim here, Sugar Rim Bar. And today I'm moving some charity box donations. I want to thank you guys for watching these videos. I want to thank you for contributing, subscribing, helping me get over 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing. But I want to break down to you how I make money with my box truck. All right, so let me show you what kind of truck I have. I have a 17-foot Ford E350 box truck. Does not have a lift gate on it. I have a ramp. My truck to do light hauls, moving. There's a guy, I mean, this guy's literally like slinging. I don't know what he's throwing there, but he's literally slinging them. My 17-foot box truck, I used to do light hauls and moving. Couches, furniture, beds. I have friends that, I have friends that call me that need moves. My business is Sugar Rim Bar. I have an event, a mobile event company. I would use my trucks to do moves of bars, chairs, table, rental things that people would call me for when we did their events. Because of the pandemic and COVID and this sort of situation that we're in right now, my business is down probably 90%. We were doing about 20 events a week. Now we do about 3 if we're lucky, right? So my trucks were sitting. So I thought to myself, I said,
and myself said yes.
Why are we just letting these trucks sit? Now, I know, I've said it in multiple videos. I know, guys, you're gonna ask about like authorities and insurance and D.O.T. I do have a D.O.T. endorsement on my license. I just chose to do that because this truck is over 10,000 pounds. And you're gonna ask all these questions. Look, ladies and gentlemen, there are plenty of videos on YouTube that go over, 26-foot dock height trucks, ramps, DOTs, authority. They go over that stuff. This, unfortunately, is not that type of video. In this video, I want to talk to grindpreneurs, people out there that are hustling. Like I always say, trying to get it up out the mud, right? I want to show you how to grind and hustle. So listen, you have friends out there. If you have a truck, you have a friend.
Dude, that is a t-shirt idea.
If you have a truck, you have a friend. People simply just need things moved. Now, this isn't, so the biggest question that I get is,
how do you find customers? Where do you get loads?
Guys, they're everywhere. People are everywhere. You can connect with furniture companies like this. These are friends of mine. They're doing a charity event, and it's around Christmas time. We do the same thing for Thanksgiving. We do the same thing around Christmas. They don't have a truck. They don't have a truck. Even if they had SUVs, you know how many SUVs they'd have to get together to haul all this stuff that we could do in one move? So, and then you have to think, what would it cost them to rent a truck, hire a driver, even if they didn't hire a driver, put gas in it? You're talking a couple $100s, right? So why not just shave off like $100 or $200, if you're comfortable with that, and you pocket the money. They hire you. My trucks were sitting anyway. So if they're going to be sitting anyway, they need to be making some money. But look, let me jump off here because these guys are loading the truck and I'm not one of them to, like, even though I am making this video, I don't want them thinking that like, oh, he up there making videos. Let me jump back up here and get some work in. I'll be right back. Yo, so let me show you real quick, just break this down, stick with me. So we picked up the charity donations. We're gonna drop the boxes here. We're gonna put them on the slab. And I've been working with this organization for a number of years. Greg and Steve, we're at Berry Farms. Well, they were in Berry Farms, but now it's gone. So giving out turkeys, food, dry goods. And so we're gonna start a line of folks right here. We're gonna do contactless delivery, literally putting the food right into that stuff. Anyway, back to what I'm saying. You can use your box truck for good. There are hauls that, like I said, there's hauls that need to be done. You can link with organizations. There's companies out there that will pay you. You may not make a ton of money, but they will pay you to use your truck. So if you have a truck like this, on the days when it's down, or if you like me, if you have a business and your trucks are just sitting, You can do stuff. Now, again, I know guys are going to talk about the insurance and breaking stuff. Guys, I don't live in that world. I don't live in that world. I'm not breaking anything. Let me give you a few other tips. Another thing that I do is I have a sign. I have a laminated sign in all of my trucks. I put a laminated sign in all of my trucks right up front. So when I'm making a delivery, you know, I just tell them, please, you know, don't ticket me. If you need me to move the truck, dial this number. I also have every single truck that I have speed passes in every single truck. They're all linked to the same account. So when you're riding around, you got to go through those tolls. You don't want nothing, man. You don't want nothing slowing you down to get to your money. Another thing that I do with my trucks is I keep a log in my truck. This is something that I learned from working with another delivery company. Is there's this thing in the business called CYA. You know, you guys know what CYA means? That means cover your assets. Cover your assets. You want to log your deliveries. You want to kind of keep track of that so you don't run into any issues or problems. And like I've mentioned in another video, we are in the middle of a pandemic, so I keep masks. I keep extra masks. Actually, I keep extra masks in here. I have I clown myself because I got, like, of course, I got my gloves. You got your hand sanitizer. I have extra gloves. I keep bottled water. I keep bottled water in my trucks at all times. I keep an emergency fire extinguisher. I keep an umbrella. I know it sounds crazy, but I keep an umbrella in all my trucks. I have road signs that I pick up in my truck. And look, guys, what I'll do is I'll add some links to these that you can pick these up on. Really, really dirt cheap, man. You can pick this stuff up, and it just makes you a little bit more professional. Now, in my truck, I have sort of like this binder folder thing that I keep right here. And if I'm doing any runs or hauls or whatever, I'll normally put whatever I'm doing for that day. I'll stick in here, because it doesn't get lost in here. I have different power extension cords for iPhones and Android chargers, because depending on whether I'm driving or I let someone else drive, the one thing that I cannot allow them to do is you cannot do this business with a dead phone. Like, it cannot happen. So I try to remove as many excuses as possible, because some of the guys, they may forget their chargers, they may not have a charger, because, you know, they're not, and it's not that they're not smart enough, that's just not, it's not on their mind. And if you're going to be in this game, you got to start thinking it's not checkers, it's chess. So you got to start thinking in those terms, in those realms, and you got to start moving like that. So these are just little tips, little things that I do. If you have more than one truck, I don't even know how many trucks I have now. I have 6 or 7 trucks. I have the same set of keys. I have 5 different sets of keys like this. That way I can, you know, if I end up losing a key, or let's say I'm out and something happens with another truck, I should be able to go to that other truck or go to my storage unit or get the locks off the truck. If a driver loses a key, then I'm gonna be out. Then I gotta pay a locksmith and all that kind of stuff. Like, guys, these are just little tidbits, little things that I do just to try to stay ahead of the game and just try to keep a little bit more money in my pocket. And look, guys, if these videos are helpful or impactful or useful, look, like I said, I don't have a tractor trailer. Right now, I don't have an estate truck. If I need to rent larger trucks than mine, I go to Ryder and I rent them, and I charge my client for that, or the customer or whoever I'm moving for that day. But these are just, if you guys have any ways or any things out there that you're doing, or any advice that you can drop down below. I'm not trying to do anything illegal. I'm not trying to get nobody in trouble, all right? This is for GrindPreneur Nation. You guys are out there. We're living in this gig economy. I'll also add in the descriptions, there are links that you guys can use that will pay you for gas. They'll pay you, see these receipts? I get paid. Hear that rustling? I get paid for these. I get paid. This is cash. Imagine dollar bills. These are dollar bills laying around your truck. Guys, you are out there. If you're doing freight, delivery, hauling, you know, even gig workers, Uber, Lyft, you know, all that stuff. Guys, there's so much money that we're leaving on the table. I'll add some links below. And if you want me to go deeper or making more videos or whatever, comment down below and let me know what you want to see. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That really helps the page. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, which will notify you when I make a new video. Also like, and if you can make a comment, that would be awesome. The channel is growing way more than I ever dreamed or imagined, and I just want to make better content. I want to make better videos to you, and I want to answer and help or even motivate you to do these things that like I'm doing, or even you can even show me how to do it better. You know, we can grow this together. So thank you guys for watching. Stay encouraged, stay motivated. Cory MAY Sugar and Bar, and like I always say on every video, man, never give up. I will see you guys in the next video. We out, baby. What is up, GrindPreneurs? Cory MAY Sugar and Bar, and I'm in Southeast DC today. We are doing a drive today, food drive. Helping Hands Inc. Changed for good, and I got up this morning, loaded up the truck again, living that box truck life, right? So we're out here in Southeast DC giving back, doing contactless delivery. So over here we're gonna have fresh food. There's fresh produce, turkeys. So people are literally going. They've already started lining up, but people are gonna line up there. They're gonna drive through this way, and we're gonna pass out the stuff. So anyway, why I'm making this video is because, guys, look, just really quick. I don't care where you've been in life, right? I don't care what happened to you. I don't care what's going on in your life, how dark and bleak it's been. You have the opportunity to change your life. You have the opportunity from this moment, from watching this video, right from here. You can make a decision to become better. You can make a decision to turn your life over, turn it around, no matter what has happened to you. What your past is your past, your future is your future. You determine where you want to be. I made a decision that I asked God to save my life. He delivered me some trucks, some vans. I have a successful business. Even in the middle of a pandemic, I'm still out here giving back, still making money, still getting it, right? It is our responsibility and my obligation to my community to do what I can to encourage those. Sometimes you feel like God's not listening. Sometimes you feel like the world ain't accepting you. Sometimes you feel like no one supports you. I'm not doing this so man can pat me on the back. I'm doing this so God, when I finally, my last day on earth, when I get called back, I can do a job well done. I want a good progress report on my life. So listen, man, if you guys are out there, the name of my charity is called Change for Good. I would love monetary donations. That would be awesome if we had monetary donations. We're a small charity, but we're growing. And but I would more than money, I'd like your heart. I'd like your hand in helping in these things. And I know sometimes people say, Cory, all you gotta do is call me. Guys, just come on, let's help organize something wherever you are. I don't care where you're watching this video at. You want to put something together? Let's do it, man. All right. Well, look, stay encouraged, stay motivated. Cory MAY, Sugar Bar. Just want to bring you a quick motivational video to tell you to hang in there, man. Bad times don't last long, but good people do. All right, man. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Never give up. Always believe in yourself. Cory MAY, Sugar Bar. Let's go, GrindPreneur Nation. Let's get it.